cutie? You want the TV on? Are you so big? You say hi. Oh, crash. Good landing. You show Mama how you stand up here? Oops. Crash. Hi, handsome. Cullen's 11 months. He's just starting to let go of things when he's standing. I know, and you like lots of hugs. Okay, come here. Oh. Will Mama pick you up? Come here. We'll set it down sideways. Can you tell us some stories? Hi, can you sing some songs? Can you clap? Let's hear Cullen clap. Yay! Yay, good boy. I love you, Cullen. You a nice boy. Can you say da da da? No. Can you say mama? Okay, time to play. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.